how to make white concrete in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just get the crafting table, then open it up. And what you want to do now is just put some bones in it. So what you need to do or what the materials that you need is sand, gravel, and bone. So just get all of those materials ready. Then just put the bone on the crafting table and it will turn into this bone mill, or just simply create as many as possible. Once it's done, just put the bone meal again here on the crafting table and it will turn into white dye. So just simply get all of those white dyes. Once that's done, what you need to do now is just simply put 4 sand here on the crafting table and also 4 gravel. Once that's done, just put the white dye here. And as you can see, it will automatically convert it to white concrete powder. So I have a white concrete powder here. And to turn it to white concrete, you just need to get the water source and just put the block right there. As you can see, this is the white concrete powder, and if you put it in water, it will automatically convert to a white concrete. That's how you basically make white concrete in Minecraft.